The first question is displayed on the board, Nana. The first question here is 1 mole of oxygen gas having a volume equal to what? 22.4 liters at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure is compressed isothermally so that its volume reduces to what, ma? 11.2 liters. The work done in this process. Where we are actually? We are in isothermal process. Okay, the work done in isothermal process. What is the work done in isothermal process given as? Okay, the work done in isothermal process is given as W equal to 2.303 nRT log, okay, V2 by V1. This is the work done in isothermal process to base 10 here. The work done equal to 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1 to base 10. Is it clear? This is the work done formula in the isothermal process there. Okay. So right now what actually we do is we take their values there. 2.303. Okay. Number of moles are given as 1 here. 1 mole. Capital R value, universal gas constant value is given as 8.314. Okay, 8.314 is given there. Fine. 8.314. Okay, and the temperature is given as 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius means 273 Kelvin. 0 degrees Celsius means 273 Kelvin. Log V2 by V1. Log V2 by V1. V2 is taken as 11.2. Okay. V1 is taken as 22.4. To base 10 it is. To base 10. Okay. On simplifying this whole part, you will be getting the result as 1 minus 1572.5 joules. This is the amount of work done actually. This is the amount of work done, which is your fourth option. Now we are entering into the second question part. The second question is, okay, the second question part is, for adiabatic expansion of monoatomic perfect gas, the volume increases by how much, Nana? 2.4%. The percentage decrease in the pressure he is asking. The percentage decrease in the pressure he is asking. Observe here, it is less than 2.4%. It is given 2.4%, which is less than 5%. So whenever it is less than 5%, we will be using fractional changes. You know it very well. And moreover, where we are? We are in the adiabatic process. Okay, adiabatic process is governed by an equation. What is that equation we are having for adiabatic process? PV power gamma equal to constant. PV power gamma equal to constant. And then what we are having? P equals to K by V power gamma. Okay, and P proportional to 1 by V power gamma will be having. Apply fractional changes right now. Okay, delta P by P into 100 is equal to minus. Okay, actually negative sign is not required here. We avoid the negative sign. Fine. Okay. And then what we are having is gamma into delta V by V into 100. Is it clear? Okay. Now observe carefully. What kind of gas it is? Monoatomic gas. Okay. For monoatomic gas, gamma value is given as 5 by 3. For monoatomic gas, gamma value is given as 5 by 3. Okay. Fine. And delta V by V into 100 is given as 2.4. Okay, delta V by V into 100 is given as 2.4%. Delta V by V into 100 is given as 2.4%. Is it clear? On substituting, what we will be having there? Delta P by P into 100 is equal to, okay, 5 by 3 into 2.4%. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 8s are 5, 8s are 40, 4.0% it is. Answer is what, ma? 4.0%, which is your second option. Is it clear? Now we are into the Third problem, Nana. Now we are into third problem, please. Okay? Yes. Third problem, please. An ideal gas at a pressure of 1 atmosphere and temperature of 27 degrees Celsius is compressed adiabatically until its pressure becomes 8 times the initial pressure. Then the final temperature is, okay, final temperature he wants. What actually he wants? The final temperature, ma? Fine, okay. Here please. What we do is, we know very well that relation between pressure and temperature, relation between pressure and temperature, pressure and temperature. Relation between pressure and temperature is given as, okay, P to the power of 1 minus gamma into T to the power of gamma is constant. You are given like this there. Okay. So from this what we say is P. Okay. What actually we want here? We want the situation for temperature actually. So what I will do is I will remove this gamma from temperature side and I will be writing for pressure side. Okay. Means taking gamma power on both sides. Taking gamma power on both sides. What I will be getting? P to the power of 1 minus gamma by gamma into T is equals to constant K. K to the power of gamma is again a K value. It's a constant value. That's why I have taken K only for that. Okay. Then what I will be writing is P to the power of 1 minus gamma by gamma proportional to T I will be writing. Proportional to 1 by T I will be writing. Okay. Proportional to 1 by T. Then I will be writing it as P1 by P2 whole to the power of 1 minus gamma by gamma is equal to T2 by T1. You will be getting the result like that. T2 by T1. Substitute the values. Okay. Initial pressure is P. Final pressure became 8 times. So P by 8P whole to the power of 1 minus gamma. Here actually we are considering what kind of gas? Okay, an ideal gas at a pressure of 1 atmosphere and temperature 27 degrees Celsius is compressed adiabatically until the pressure becomes all that, and you are given gamma is how much? 3 by 2. Gamma value is given as 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. 1 minus 1.5 by 1.5, okay, is equals to T2 by T1. What is T1 given as? 27 degrees Celsius. Convert into Kelvin scale, you will be getting it as 300 Kelvin. Is it clear to all of you please? Okay. On simplifying this, you will be getting T2 as 600 Kelvin, which is 327 degrees Celsius. Which is what, Nana? 327 degree Celsius. So T2 is given as 327 degree Celsius. This is your fourth option actually. Fine. Okay, ma. Now we are entering into the question number 4. The question number 4 is, a container of volume 1 meter cube is divided into 2 equal compartments, one of which contains an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin. The other compartment is vacuum actually. Other compartment is vacuum. The whole system is thermally isolated from its surroundings. The whole system is thermally isolated from its surroundings. The partition is removed and the gas expands to occupy the whole volume. Here, what actually you have to remember one thing. What is it? Just we are removing the partition. What we are doing, ma? Removing the partition. Removing partition. What we are doing, ma? We are removing the partition, that's all. Okay? When we are removing the partition, what happens? Gas expands freely. What happens, ma? Whenever we are removing the partition, gas expands freely. Whenever there is a free expansion, for free expansion, temperature remains constant. Temperature remains constant. Okay, so what is initial temperature we are having? 300 Kelvin. So temperature now also how much? 300 Kelvin only. Okay, so your answer will be the first option. Okay, 300 Kelvin, the answer will be the first option. Okay, now we are entering into the fifth problem. The fifth problem is a gas at 10 degrees Celsius temperature and 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Pascal pressure is compressed adiabatically to half of its volume. If the ratio of specific heats of gas is what? 1.4, the final temperature is, okay, the final temperature. Here what actually happening is, gas is compressed to half of its volume. Volume is changing. What is happening, ma? The volume is changing. Okay. And you are given initial temperature. Now you are asked to find the final temperature. Where we are in actually? We are in adiabatic process. We are in the adiabatic process actually. In adiabatic process, okay, in adiabatic process, okay ma, fine. Relation between volume and temperature is, relation between volume and temperature is, relation between volume and temperature is, okay, TV to the power of gamma minus 1 equal to constant. TV to the power of gamma minus 1 equal to constant. Actually, Nana, you know very well that PV power gamma equal to constant, isn't it? PV power gamma equal to constant, you know this. Okay, in the place of P, write down RT by V. In the place of P, write down RT by V. RT by V into V power gamma equal to constant. Okay, RT, okay, into V to the power of gamma minus 1 equal to constant. So R you send that side, then you will be having what, ma? TV to the power of gamma minus 1. The same formula here, please. What the idea? Okay, the same formula it is placed. Have the idea, Nana? TV to the power of gamma minus 1 equal to constant. From this what I can say? Okay, V to the power of gamma minus 1 is proportional to 1 by T. V to the power of gamma minus 1 proportional to 1 by T. Okay, V1 by V2 whole to the power of gamma minus 1 equal to what, Nana? T2 by T1. T2 by T1 it is. Is it clear? Okay, substitute the values now. Initial volume is V. What about the final volume you are having? Half of its volume, please. Half of its volume means V by 2. Okay, whole to the power of what, Nana, it is? Gamma minus 1. Is it clear? What about the value of gamma? It is given as 1.4. The gamma value is given as, here the gamma value. Gamma value is given as 1.4. So 1.4 minus 1 is equal to T2 by T1. T2 by T1. You don't know what is T2 value, but what is T1? 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius you can write as what? 273 plus 10. 283 it is. So T2 is given as 283. On simplifying this part, on simplifying this whole thing, what you will be getting is T2 equal to 103 degrees Celsius. Got the idea, ma? Okay. So which is your first option? Okay. Which is your first option? The first option is given as 103 degrees Celsius. Is it clear? Okay. The question number 6, it says like this, Nana. Here please. Okay, the temperature of 5 moles of a gas at constant volume is changed from 100 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. The temperature of 5 moles of a gas at constant volume is changed from 100 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. The change in internal energy is given as what? 80 joules. The total heat capacity of gas at constant volume will be, the total heat capacity of gas at constant volume will be in joule per Kelvin. He is asking us. What is asking ma? In joule per Kelvin he is asking. Simple thing nana. Actually, what actually we have got is internal energy is given for us. What is internal energy given for us? dq is equal to, dq is equals to nana here. Internal energy I will be saying as du, okay, internal energy I will be saying as du equals to 80 joules. du is given as 80 joules. And what is the change in temperature you are given there? The change in temperature you are given as dt is equals to 120 degrees Celsius minus 100 degrees Celsius. It is given as 20. Okay, 20 degree Celsius you are given there, the change in temperature. Fine, okay. Now what actually happened? Change in degree Celsius is change in Kelvin. So 20 Kelvin I can say here. Fine, okay. Next, apart from that, what actually we want? Heat capacity. Heat capacity is equal to, heat capacity is equal to, heat capacity equals to, what we say? dq by dt. Heat capacity is dq by dt. Because volume is constant, external work done is 0. Volume is constant, what happens now? External work done is 0. So dq will be equal to what? dq will be equal to du itself. So it is du by dt. du by dt. Okay. And du is given as 80 by 20, which is given as 4. Okay, so heat capacity is 4 joule per Kelvin. What is heat capacity? It is 4 joule per Kelvin, which is your second option. Now we are into the 7th question, Nanas. Question number 7, please. Fine, okay. The question number 7 is displayed on the board, Nana. See here, please. When a monoatomic gas expands at constant pressure, okay, constant pressure, the percentage of heat supplied, that increases temperature of the gas, and in doing external work in expansion at constant pressure is, that is the question given for us. Is it clear? Okay. Now what we do is, first of all we want the ratio between doing external work to the heat supplied, okay, and next one is percentage of heat supplied that increases temperature. That is increases temperature, he said. He did, see, listen carefully. Increases temperature, he said. He did not say increasing in internal energy. Increasing in temperature is increasing in the internal energy. Increase in temperature is increasing in the internal energy. So, what I will be saying is the ratio of internal energy to the heat supplied, and next the ratio of work done to the heat supplied. Both we want. Fine, okay. So what I'll do here is, in the first case, okay, I'll be going for increase in temperature is same as increase in internal energy. du by dq, okay ma, du by dq equals to ncv dt by ncp dt. ncv dt by ncp dt, nn cancel, dt cancel, what you are getting ma? cv by Cp, Cv by Cp is what? 1 by gamma. Cv by Cp is what? No, 1 by gamma. But here, what kind of gas it is? Monoatomic gas. Okay. For monoatomic gas, gamma is given as what, Nana? 5 by 3. Gamma is given as 5 by 3. Implies 1 by gamma equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is what? 0.6. 0.6 is nothing but how much, Nana? It is 60%. Okay, it is how much, Nana? 60%. Just by looking at the answer itself, we can apply. Second option will be getting there. But still, we have work done also. We'll do that also. Okay, fine. dW equals to dW by, because we want the ratio for work done to the heat supplied, dW by dQ equal to nR dt by NCP dt. Okay, then R by, what you are having, R by Cp. What is Cp given as? Cp is given as, okay, gamma R by gamma minus 1. Gamma R by gamma minus 1. So what it is, ma? RR gets cancelled. Gamma minus 1 by gamma it is, or it is 1 minus 1 by gamma. Okay, 1 minus 1 by gamma. 1 by gamma is already how much? 0.6. So 1 minus 0.6. Okay, it is 0.4. 0.4 is 40%. 0.4 is what, ma? 0.4 is 40%. Got the idea? So 60% and 40%. It will be your second option. Fine. Now we are into the 8th problem, beta. Now we are into the 8th problem, Nana. See question number 8, Nana. Here please. 1 mole of a gas expands with temperature T such that its volume V is given as kT square, where K is a constant. If the temperature of the gas changes by 60 degrees Celsius, then work done by the gas is, he wants about the work done actually. Okay, for this first of all what we do is, now here, okay, what actually we consider here is, okay, here ma, what we do here is, we are given V equal to kT square. What you are given, ma? V equal to kT square. You know the formula. PV equal to RT. You know this. PV equal to RT. You know this. Okay. Then after that, P equal to RT by V. Okay. RT by V. V means what? kT square here. Okay. Then cancelling T, what we are having? R by kT will be having there. So pressure is given as R by kT. The pressure value is given as R by kT. Is it clear? Okay. Apart from that, okay, what we are given? We need work done actually, isn't it? Work done is PdV. Work done is PdV, ma. Okay. So we'll try to find the dV value there. What is that you are given? V equal to kT square. V equal to kT square, then dV is given as, okay, K into 2T dt it is. dV is given as what, ma? K into 2T dt. Fine, okay. This is regarding dV value. Now that is nothing but 2kT dt. Got the idea? 2kT dt. The work done dW equal to PdV, ma. PdV. Substitute the values. P is given as R by kT. P is given as R by kT, and dV is given as 2kT dt. What actually happens? kT cancel. What we are getting, ma? 2R dt. Integrate on both sides. What we will be having? W equal to 2RT. What is W equal to, ma? W equal to 2RT. What is T given as? T is given as 60 there. 60 into 2, 120 R. The work done is given as 120 R, which is your first option. Okay, understood, Anna? Got the idea how to do this problem? Is it clear? Now we are entering into the 9th problem, please. Question number 9. A monoatomic atomic ideal gas, initially at temperature T1, is enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a frictionless piston. The gas is allowed to expand adiabatically. Underline the word adiabatically, ma. Okay. To a temperature T2 by releasing the piston suddenly. If L1, L2 are the lengths of gas column before and after expansion respectively, then T1 by T2 given by, see here, temperature and volume. Two things are there. What are they, ma? Temperature and the volume. Two things are there here. Okay. So we are considering the temperature and volume relation in adiabatic process. Okay. So the relation between relation between temperature and volume is okay, T V to the power of gamma minus 1 equal to constant. From this, T proportional to 1 by V to the power of gamma minus 1. After that, T1 by T2 is equal to, which actually you want, T1 by T2 equal to, okay, what we will be having? V2 by V1 whole to the power of gamma minus 1. V2 by V1 whole to the power of gamma minus 1. Okay, so what actually we are having here? T1 by T2 is equal to, okay, V2 by V1. What is it, ma? V2 by V1. Volume I can write as area into length. Volume I can write as what, ma? Area into length. So area into L2 by area into L1 whole to the power of gamma. For monoatomic gas, gamma value is given as 5 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 it is. Cancel A, what will be having? L by 2 by L2 by L1. What will be having? A gets cancelled off. What will be having, ma? L2 by L1 whole to the power of 2 by 3. L2 by L1 whole to the power of 2 by 3 is what? Your fourth option, Nana. So, for 9th question, you have got the answer as what? Fourth option. Now we are entering into the 10th question, please. The question number 10 is displayed on the board, Nana. See the question number 10. A given quantity of an ideal gas at a pressure P and absolute temperature T obeys P proportional to T cube. During adiabatic process, the adiabatic bulk modulus of the gas is asking. What is asking actually? Adiabatic bulk modulus is asking. Means he is asking the K value, Nana. K value he is asking. Okay, you know adiabatic bulk modulus is given as adiabatic bulk modulus K equals to gamma P. From the given problem, if you find gamma value, your answer is over. From the given problem, if you find the gamma value, then your answer is over. Okay, fine. What is that? You are having relation between P and T. You are having relation between what, Nana? P and T, because you are in adiabatic process. You are in adiabatic process, so relation between P and T. P and T relation is okay, what you will be having? P to the power of 1 minus gamma, P to the power of gamma equal to constant. What you do? Actually, you remove 1 minus gamma for P. Means take whole power on 1 minus gamma. What will be getting? P into T to the power of gamma by 1 minus gamma is equal to K to the power of 1 minus gamma. It becomes constant. You can remove it. Okay. So constant again there only. Now this is the relation you will be having. What actually you are given the condition? You are given the condition as, but what is that you are given? P proportional to T cube you are given. P proportional to T cube. This I can write as P T to the power of minus 3 equal to constant. P T to the power of minus 3 equal to constant. Compare now. Compare this first equation and the second equation. First and second you compare, what you will be having? Gamma by 1 minus gamma is equal to minus 3. Cross multiply, what you are going to get? Gamma equal to minus 3 plus 3 gamma. Is it clear? Minus 3 this side, gamma that side. What you will be getting? 3 equal to 3 gamma minus gamma. How much it is? 2 gamma equal to 3. Gamma is given as, what is gamma given as, beta? 3 by 2 now. Gamma is given as 3 by 2. Therefore, your adiabatic bulk modulus K equal to what? So, K equal to, what is K given as? Gamma P na? K is given as gamma P and gamma is given as 3 by 2. So, 3P by 2 is your result. 3P by 2 is what? It is the third option there. Fine, okay? So, this is your 10th problem. Answer in the 10th problem, answer 3P by 2 in the third assignment. Okay? Thank you, better. Thank you, please.